As you might know, Anthropic recently released something called Cloud Cowork, and it might be the single most useful AI tool for anyone who needs leads. It's basically an AI assistant that has full access to your computer. It can read files, create spreadsheets, pull data, run searches, all on its own. And the best part is you can use it to generate a practically unlimited number of qualified leads without paying for expensive databases or hiring a virtual assistant. So in this video, I'm going to show you 3 different ways you can use Cloud Cowork to generate unlimited leads for your business. And by the end, you will have a system you can use anytime you need fresh prospects. So what most people are still doing when they need leads is one of 3 things. They're either buying lists from some database, they're hiring a virtual assistant to manually scrape the internet one by one, or they're sitting there doing it themselves. And all of these are slow, expensive, or both. What I'm going to show you is how to use Cloud Cowork, which is basically an AI that does all of this for you faster and better. Method 1. The ICP search. Most people, when they search for leads on Google, they're typing the same basic stuff, like plumbers in San Diego or marketing agencies near me. But there are advanced search operators that can pull way more specific data. Things like email addresses, phone numbers, specific business types. The problem is nobody knows really how to write these search strings. So what you do is you open Cloud Cowork and you tell it exactly who you're looking for, your ideal ICP. So I'm looking for e-commerce businesses with 10 to 15 employees based in the United States. We hit enter, and then Cloud Cowork actually gives you 10 advanced search Google search strings that you would never have thought of on your own. You can see them here, finding businesses and contact info directly. You see some search strings, and then finding ad specific signals. You can see the others here. So then what you do is you take the Google results, you can copy and paste them as I'm about to do now, or you can just directly send the page results and Cloud Cowork will process them. And then we write a prompt. I'm going to copy and paste mine. And in the prompt, you want to ask Cloud Cowork to actually generate a spreadsheet with clean information and the following columns, as you can see here: business type, website, email, phone number, location. We hit enter, and now we have our CSV. We click show in folder, we go to the folder, and then we open it. And as you can see here, we have the CSV file with everything organized and clean, the business name, website, email, phone number, absolutely everything organized into a clean spreadsheet. What used to take a virtual assistant an entire afternoon, Cowork does it in about 30 seconds. Method number 2, the directory deep dive. Google search is great for quick lists, but the real gold mine is directories. Every industry has them. If you are in B2B, there's Clutch, there's G2, or if you're in real estate, there's Zillow or Realtor.com. In home services, there's BBB or there's Yelp. And these directories have thousands of businesses already organized with names, phone numbers, ratings, locations, almost everything. Okay, so now we're gonna tell Claude to go to a directory. In this case, we're gonna use Clutch. We are gonna type go to Clutch. We're going to tell Claude to actually get a list of 20 agencies listed in these directories. After that, we're going to tell Claude to create a CSV with some columns like the agency name, website, location, everything that interests us. We hit enter, and then it's giving us here 2 options: allow for this website and allow all browser actions. We're going to click allow all browser actions for now, and then it starts to think. As you can see here, you can see what it's thinking or what it's doing in each moment, and it gives us the CSV file. So you can see here on the right hand side the artifact here in Claude. You can also of course download it into your actual folder in your computer, and you can see it here much more clearly: the agency name, the website, location, team size, everything in a clean spreadsheet. So let's say HubSpot is your competitor. We're going to take HubSpot as an example, and we're going to tell Claude to go to HubSpot, to the website, and extract every company name in their case studies. So we're already knowing that these people worked with them. So we're going to tell him to look at their case studies page, and for each company, find their website, website, their name and email of the head of marketing, of course, a good contact for us, and their company size. And we're going to tell it to create a CSV file to organize everything. We're going to hit enter. We're going to click allow all browser actions now. And now we see how Claude is thinking, actually going through all the data and trying to find all the information that we requested. You can read here all the steps that it's taking. So for example, it says, I can see the company's features on the page. Let me compile a full list. And now it says I have enough data to create the CSV file, and it actually creates it. We can see it here on the right, and we're going to download it into our computer to see it a bit better. And you can see it here. So you have here the name of the company, you have their website as well, and then you have the contact that we requested, so the head of marketing, all the information that we just asked. So what you're seeing here is Cowork going through a competitor's entire website, pulling every company they've ever featured as a customer, and then going and finding the contact info for those companies. These aren't random companies. They are businesses that have already proven that they're willing to pay for exactly the type of thing you offer. They just haven't heard of you yet. So now you've got 3 different lead lists. The next step is pretty straightforward. We're going to ask Claude to compile them into one spreadsheet. We're going to ask him as well to compile them into one spreadsheet and also remove duplicates. We can see here how it's thinking. It's going through all the information, and very, very quickly it's giving us the CSV file, as you can see here on the right. And now you can use any cold email tool to start sending personalized outreach to these people. But what I'm going to do is actually use Cloud Cowork, ask him to generate a personalized first line for a cold email based on their business, the recent initiatives that they're running, or something specific on their homepage, so that it feels really, really personalized. And the first line should be 1 sentence, sound human, and reference something real about their business. Let's hit enter. So it's going to process everything. It's telling us that it's researching 67 companies and that it's using 4 different agents to fetch all the data. We're going to hit here allow, and now it's thinking. It has already written the 67 lines. It's fixing some of the M dashes, it says. It just has the CSV file completed and ready for us to download. So I'm going to download it, and you can see here the whole spreadsheet, everything cleaned up already, all the personalized opening lines, so you don't have to actually write them. This way you're not sending the same generic email to 1,000 people. And if you're driving any of these leads to a landing page, here's a tip that most people miss. Instead of sending them to a page with a static form that they're probably going to bounce off of, you can use something like a conversational AI agent, something like Landbot, that actually talks to them, asks them qualifying questions, and filters out the people who aren't a fit before they ever get on your calendar. So you're not just generating more and more leads, you're generating better ones. Now, generating leads with Cowork is powerful, but it's really just one piece of the puzzle, because the real game changer is when you use AI at every single stage of the process, from finding leads to qualifying them to following up automatically. So click this video here, because I break down a complete AI-powered lead generation strategy that covers the entire pipeline, not just finding leads, but turning them into actual paying customers. I'll see you there.